it, and don't go all out begging your classmates, give me this, give me that. I don't really like that. I feel so embarrassed when I forget any of this, and I tend to beg people for it. I think I'm too classy for some things. Yeah, yeah. In as much as I don't have much now, I still try to keep it real, classic, clean, neat, elegant, So imagine me going all out in the class asking someone for these things. It doesn't make sense. So I think it's also important for you, my viewer, to have these things in your bag as a student. We call it emergency kits because you never can tell when you will need this item, and you don't want to go all out begging for it. You're only going to school, you're not going to the farm. So you are supposed to look good even while you are studying. You are supposed to look good. You need them while you are in school, while you are going for your lectures. They are supposed to be in your school bag. Item number one is this. You must have a bag that is wide enough to contain your items, and make sure it's the main handbag you're going to carry is big enough as well. So you just put it inside the bag. I don't want you mess up your textbook, your handouts, because of you need to carry some important items, so you just put them here. This is very important. Just this is the number one. So the second item I'm going to mention here, if you stay to the end of this video, not just to the end, you have to stay to the end because this is very important. You need all these items, they're very, very important. But I think on the fifth one, I'm going to be teaching you guys something that just helps me out, something that I learned this period, and it's going to help you. So please make sure you stay to the end of this video. So the second item you need in this emergency box is this: pants and pad. Do you know why I said so? Because don't I don't want to expose this pant. You have to keep it classy. You need a very nice pant. Please don't use net. Don't put net in this bag. Let me tell you something. Last month, which is November, I actually know when my period was going to come out. But guess what? My period came out when I was outside, just on the main road. Believe me. I think I was heading to school. Yeah, my period came out. I thought it was just normal female discharge and all that, but no, it wasn't that. It was the brother who came out, and it wasn't funny because I had to like it stained my clothes, it stained my jean. Although it wasn't so obvious, but when I got to the school, I had to buy pad and start buying all those things. Meanwhile, I have them in my house. You know, sometimes you don't even know, so you have to put this in your emergency. It's an emergency kit. You have to put it in the bag. Okay, it's very, very important. Put your pan and your pan. You're not exposing it to the classroom. You just put it in here. Everybody should mind their business. Nobody cares about what's inside here. You're not going to bring it out and be saying, oh, I have my pan and pan here. Don't be shy. Just have these things in your bag. Okay, and why you need your pad in your emergency bag is because I don't see any reason why a lady who is classy and elegant and who is watching this video right now should be in the classroom asking others, "Can you give me pad?" I don't know. I'm too sensitive. I'm too picky, and I don't know. I hardly share personal things with people like my undies, my towel, my pad. Why would you share pad with someone? Yeah, it's normal to some people, but please have yours and keep that to yourself so that when you want to see your period, you'll be able to like attend to yourself than disturbing the whole class, disturbing the lecture that is going on, asking for pads, and it's not cute, it's not sexy at all. So you need your own pad. Yeah, I always have mine. Ever since that shit happened, I've been going to school with my pad because it's just in my bag already. So I don't get to ask people or beg for these things again. So let's just go to the third item. I've missed you guys, so I just want to pour out everything to you guys. Hello. Let's go to the third item that you need. So the third item that you need in this bag is your oil perfume or your body mist. I don't know. This is my favorite body mist. When I say favorite, it has these chocolates. Goodness, this is so sweet. This is just amazing. So you have to keep smelling fresh and sweet while you are in school. Do you know sometimes lectures last for 7 hours, 8 hours, or sometimes from 8 a.m. to like 6 p.m. and you are in that hall. You don't want to come out looking all exhausted, sweating, smelling. No, you don't want to do that. I advise oil perfume if you have, because this might be too big and this might be too, when you spray it and come out, everybody will know that you spray something, right? But when you have this with you, you just, during the break time, you don't want to disturb the class. So just take out this, go to the restroom. This is, so you keep it clean, classy, sweet, smelling fresh. I really like my nails. Do you like my nails? This is so beautiful. I always tell you guys how to keep it on budget, how to slay on budget, how to look good on budget by doing some things by yourself. This is press on nails, and it's been here for a very long time, and I'm going to show you guys in my next video. But let's continue. Let me not go out of this topic, but I hope you're enjoying yourself. So this is body mist, or this, very very important. You don't want to go inside it. I really don't know. I don't know the reason why someone would just come to school and be messing other people's day up. It's not nice. Smell good so that other people will leave. Other people who use original and authentic and beautiful and wonderful and amazing perfume can actually breathe when they're around you. So you have to smell good. Okay. I don't want you to come to the lecture room smelling, having some bad smell. You have to smell good. So you have to come to lecture with that. Okay. I don't know why my light is shaking. So the next item you need in your bag is this: tissue, pack, or wipes. But I think you need either of these. So please don't go to school without a tissue pack. Go to school with a tissue pack of your own. Some time ago, I forgot that I don't have enough tissue. I don't have tissue again in my emergency box, and I was asking my classmate if they have. Some of you might think, oh, it's not bad, it's normal thing, you can ask them. But no, no, it's not really good. Have yours. This pack I'm showing you here is very, very affordable. It's just 100 naira, 1 cent. 100 naira, very, very affordable. You can buy three for 300. Just put it in your bag, put it in your normal handbags, put it in this bag. So having these things in your bag is very, very necessary. You don't want to go to the restroom while lecture is going on and you go whispering, can you give me a tissue? Can you give me this? And someone just give you and you just hold it, and oh no, I don't even like that. I don't really vibe with that. So it's better and advisable to have that tissue. This wipes, do you know why I like this wipes? Because it doesn't have no smell. It's for babies, and it doesn't have no smell. So I just prefer this to clean myself. If you don't want to go with this, go with tissue. It's very, very necessary to have any of these items with you. Don't go begging for this. You're too classy for that, okay? Yeah. So go with tissue. Wherever you're going to, you must have tissue in your handbag. Let's go to the next item you must have in your box. Lip gloss. You have to keep your lips shining. Yes, girl. My lip is always shining. And look at this. This lip gloss is very, very affordable and it lasts for so long. Guess what? This is not more than 1k naira. Believe me, this is not more than 1k naira. I think it's just 1k naira that I bought it. Or 1k naira, yeah. Your lips must be shining every day. Let your lips be shining. Let your lips be glowing, juicy, sweet. Even when you are in class, when you want to go buy something, even if you don't have to go on makeup, you don't have to put all that makeup on your face. Like I didn't put any makeup here. It's just my lip gloss and my lashes, right? So just make sure you have your lip gloss on, and yeah, it's advisable. My lips is always glowing, shining, juicy, sweet. You always want to kiss me when you see me in real life. Don't kiss me, please. I'm just saying. You need lip gloss in your emergency box. Honestly, you do. So it's on this number 5 that I will teach you guys something very, very, very important, and you are going to thank me later. You know why? If you are this type of person that is always having crusty lips, and your lips is always peeling, your lips is bad, you think you have bad lips, you think God didn't create you well when it comes to your lips. No, you don't have bad lips. So today I will share with you guys this idea on how to achieve these lips. I do brush my lips most time after brushing my teeth. Not every time. Most time after brushing my teeth, I just use my sponge to like scrub my lips or brush my lips. So after that, I apply my lip gloss. But if your lips are very very bad and you're always chewing your lips, I don't know. I see some people chewing their lips and all that. No, I don't really like that, and I don't think that is classy. So let me teach you something. This is your best friend. If you're having a crusty lips, hello, I brought this brother to you. This is your best friend, Vaseline. This is your best friend. I don't know the type you want to buy. I don't really know much about this Vaseline styles, but this is very, very necessary if you have bad lips. You know what I do? So I apply this on my lips before applying my lip gloss. So when you apply it, leave it for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Your lips will become very soft and it will start peeling out. It will be easy for you to take out those dead skins, those things that are not supposed to be on your lips. So you just have to take them out by after you apply this for like 5 minutes. And when you take them out, you can maybe use wipes, wipe your lips or use tissue, clean your lips, then apply your lip gloss. You know what? Your lips will always look sweet, shining, you know, and juicy. So you need lip gloss in your bag, and this Vaseline is very, very important to have as a lady. You will thank me later because it's working for me. If you meet me one day, first make sure you look at my lips. Naturally, I have that little pink lip. Yeah, so I don't really do too much on my lips. I just apply my lip gloss, and I'm good to go. Yeah. So I advise you have your lip gloss so you always look good when you go out. Okay. So you always be shining. I'm shining. My lip is always shining like I have an appointment. I don't have no appointment. I'm just going to school. So your lip must be shining. So the next item you must have in your emergency kit box is this mouthwash. When I say mouthwash, I mean you need a small mouthwash. I don't have this here with me, but you need a very small mouthwash, something like this. You need it in your emergency kit so that sometimes some lectures last for 6 hours, 7 hours. Yeah, it happens or more than that. And maybe you don't have much friends and you're always in the class, or maybe you speak once in a while, or you don't really attend to questions, or you don't really want to talk that day or something. Your mouth, not like you're having bad breath, but sometimes it happens when you don't talk. Excuse yourself, go to the restroom and wash your mouth. When you come back, you feel fresh, and when you want to ask questions, you'll be confident enough to ask questions. You'll be confident enough to express yourself. Not like when your mouth is smelling and you're not talking to yourself. No one. You can't be able to express yourself. You can't be able to ask questions. Your mouth is always because your mouth is smelling. You know why I suggest mouthwash? Because I don't really advise chewing gum during lecture. So I advise you just get yourself a small mouthwash. You can have mouth spray with you that you spray in your mouth, and so you always have a good breath when you're in school and while lecture is going on. So it's not good. Instead of chewing gum and making noise during lecture and disturbing others, is not good. Okay? Use mouthwash or mouth spray. Edge control is something you need in your emergency. just take a pad, take your pants, no noise. Don't go with nylon. Let me not go there. But as you can see, there is no noise here. So this is very, very important. This item that I've mentioned, they're very, very important. And this bag is very, very important too. So just have it and put it in your school handbag. Catch you in my next video.